Welcome back. In a span of just 6 days, Chief Electoral Office is planning to distribute more than 10 lakh voter slips across Goa. These voter slips would be an alternative in case voter loses his EPIC card. Paramilitary forces would soon get deployed in sensitive points across Goa.
There are over 10,12,000 voters in Goa. Now all will get voter slip from their respective BLOs. Chief Electoral Office has made it clear that in case any individual does not receive the voter slip by 28th of February, then he has to inform the BLO.
This can be used as an alternate identity proof if you don't have a EPIC card. कारण EPIC cards अशी कित्याक ती सदांच रेशन कार्ड अशी वापरपाची नाशिल्ल्यान केन्ना केन्ना कोणा कडेन शेणटात हें जाता आनी जर ते EPIC कार्ड नासत जाल्यार तुका फाल्यां वोटींग करपाक मेळना. कारण कमिशनाचे गायडलायन्सा प्रमाणे अशें आसा की इन केस तुका जर EPIC कार्ड दिलें आसत जाल्यार यू कॅनॉट मेक यूज ऑफ एनी अदर ऑल्टरनेटीव डॉक्युमेंट अदर देन दॅट ऑफ EPIC कार्ड ओनली.
Recently, there were reports of crores of rupees being seized by central and state agencies at a port in Goa. Joint Chief Electoral Officer, however, says this money was not for election-related purpose.
Huge seizure of cash. Apparently, it was brought to Goa with...
Now, since it is non-election related, the income tax authorities will be able to...
No, but it is non-election related.
No.
A senior reporter from Panchi, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Hundreds of agitated people gathered at Bicholi police station demanding arrest of culprits in the alleged Sulla murder case. Locals claim that Kishore Amonkar was beaten to death by his in-laws and hired goons. Agitated locals have now threatened to boycott assembly elections if the culprits are not arrested. Situation seems tense at Surla.
Hundreds of people from Barajan Surla gathered at Bicholi police station demanding arrest of the culprits involved in the alleged murder of Kishore Amonkar. They have threatened to boycott assembly election if the culprits are not arrested. With the police's assurance to take action against the culprits, locals have agreed to collect Kishore's body, which is lying in the GMC for the past 4 days.
योगेश गावकर, सिद्धेश गावकर आणि समीर गाडी शिरगांव यांका तिगांयकूय अरेस्ट जावपा जाय प्लस त्याच्या भयणी अरेस्ट जावपा जाय. पॉलिटिकली तांकां खंय तरी प्रेशर आहा अशें आमकां दिसता आनी तशें दिसल्या कारणान आमी सुद्दां आतां ठरयलां की आमकां खंय तरी मतदान न करचें हो निर्णय घेवचो पडटलो काय कितें घेवचो पडटलो काय कितें आनी आयतार पर्यंत आमी टायम दिला नाजाल्यार आमी सोमारा एक सुर्ला गांवचो व्हडलो मोर्चा हांगा हाडटले म्हणून डायरेक्टली आमी PIक सांगलेलें आसा.
Earlier on Friday, Kishore Amonkar was found dead at Barajan Surla in Bicholi. Family members of Kishore claim that his in-laws with some hired goons attacked him very badly, resulting in his death. Police have taken Kishore's wife Kalpana Amonkar in custody. Kalpana's brother Amar Gaonkar has also surrendered before the Bicholi police. A reporter from Surla, Uday Parab.
Goa Cement Association hopes that the political assurances given to the community come true. Association has welcomed the promises made by the Congress party. Congress in its election manifesto has assured the seafarers to raise their pension to 2,500 rupees per month. On the other side, BJP has also assured seafarers a rise in their pension. Now, the anti-Congress community has left the decision on voting open to the seafarers community.
Since Congress have included this in the manifesto to increase to 2,500, it is really a good news. And we only hope that one day this will be a reality, because manifestos during elections, are produced, but it has to be fulfilled, and we hope the commitment will be fulfilled for the benefit for the cement community.
Seafarers in the state have been protesting since long to get their demands through. They later took an anti-Congress stand as the MPs were giving false assurances. Now the Congress in its manifesto has assured seafarers a hike in the pension. However, President of Goa Seamen's Association of India Dixon Vas says even the BJP has promised a rise in the pension. He says it is left now up to the seafarers whom to vote.
BJP leader Monor Parrikar have promised also that he will increase the amount, and now the Congress is also promising. So we leave it up to the seamen community to decide who will fulfill, because promises are made, and we only hope that after the election the promises will be fulfilled.
A reporter from Margaon, Savio Dice.
Mapsa police arrested independent candidate from Saligaon Trajan De Mello for violating code of conduct. It is alleged that he had distributed pamphlets and released a CD while campaigning. He was later released on bail. However, Trojan has called this harassment.
Trajano de Mello was arrested by MAPSA police on Tuesday for violating Code of Conduct. It is alleged that he has violated the Election Code of Conduct. It is said that he distributed pamphlets and released a CD while campaigning. Trajano said that this was a move by his opponents to create hurdles in his campaigning.
Police station आपण जातो आणि बघा तिच्यानी अरेस्ट करा लीगल प्रॉब्लम की जहाँ पे तो for the advocates order.
Trajano's counsel Siddesh Patkar said that this is just a harassment.
The client was called today to the police station as a witness under section 160 of CRPC and he could not have been arrested, but illegally he was arrested just to derail his campaign, and this is nothing but an harassment going on with respect to my client.
Trajano was later released on bail. Our reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.